and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Carol Amendola Bianca, board certified nutritionist, someone who's passionate about nutrition and has been all my life and will continue to be. I'm also known as the Italian nutritionist because of my strong affiliation with Italy and my Italian culture. But today I am here to show you how to do some grilling, and grilling of something you may not have thought about, but it's absolutely delicious, are blueberries. So yes, I am grilling blueberries in my grill here this morning. And this is something that you can do easily if you have a grill outside, or if you have a grill pan in your house. You could probably almost do it in your oven as well if you have a nice heavy metal pan that you can line with parchment paper. I use this type of parchment paper. It is called extra strong pre-cut 12 by 16-inch parchment paper that comes out in the box, each sheet separately, which is kind of nice. I was using parchment paper that you take from a roll and you roll off, but there's always a lot of waste with that because you never know what size you really need. These are nice, and they can be folded so that they fit just about any size pan, or if you have a huge pan, you just use 2 of them. So I also have my trusty wooden spoon here. I tend to use a wooden spoon rather than metal or plastic, and it's a nice culinary utensil to have. So I put my blueberries in this grill this morning about 5 minutes ago, and I think you can see inside that they are roasting. And what happens to blueberries when you heat them, and I'm going to turn the heat up just a touch. I started them at medium heat, now I'm going towards the higher heat. And I am just turning them slightly so that they are going to roast evenly. You turn them maybe once or twice, that you just stir them around. I really don't have a recipe. All you do is you take blueberries, you wash them, put them on a heavy pan, put some parchment paper, and put them on heat. And you will be surprised at how they plump up. They become even more juicy when they are heated. And what would you do with the blueberries once that they're nice and roasted? Well, there's a number of things. You can use them just as a dessert in a little cup. And if you're into eating gelato or ice cream, you can put them on there. You can toss them with other vegetables. I like to put roasted blueberries in salad, especially in the winter, because I get so tired of cold salads, especially in the winter. The summer can be refreshing. But that is a nice way of warming your salad, adding a little something sweet, adding something juicy. It's absolutely a delicious way. So I think you can see the roasted blueberries. They become very plump, they become shiny, and if I keep roasting them for a while, they will start to collapse and the juice will come out. So the longer you roast them, the more juicy they become. So if you wanted blueberry juice with the skins on, that would be another thing, another application for doing this. Blueberries are so amazingly healthful for us. I do presentations with a cardiologist, and we do the presentations for physicians, and we do a presentation first about nutrition, and he always calls the blueberry the little blue pill, because these blueberries are so loaded with antioxidants, and what they do for our health is absolutely amazing. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you will try a pint of blueberries and see what you find and the uses that you can have for them. I'd love to hear from you if you want to put a comment down below. And please subscribe. I think there's a subscribe button on my screen, but there's also a subscribe button below. Please subscribe so I can continue sending you some wonderful ideas for culinary nutrition and mouth-watering, craveable foods. Thanks for joining me.